Here we're going to show you how to add a link to an image that takes people to another page. So open the page that you want to edit in your aPrompt website. If there is no image here but you do want to add an image, then you just place your cursor where you want your image, click Insert Image, or just click the Insert Image icon here. Click the magnifying glass, choose an image, we'll choose a small one, give the image a description, click OK. Now we're going to have this, we're going to move this image above, sort of in the middle of this text. So I'm just going to drag it roughly where I want it. And then I'm going to format it so it's range left. So format, format, range left. Okay. So I'm going to also link this image to a page. So I'm going to highlight that image so it's selected. Then I'm going to go back into the front end of my website. Choose a page you want people to go to if they click that image. I'm just going to choose the URL for this one. So I'm going to copy the web address for this page and I'm going to link it. So highlight that image back in your admin area and click Insert Edit Link. Then paste the link that we've just copied, and then you can write some a title here. So this is what people will see if they pass their mouse over this image. I'm going to have this opening in the same window, so people will leave this page and go into this page when they click it. If you want someone to open the link and open in a new tab, choose the target as new window and then click OK. But in this case we're going to select it to none, click OK, and then click Save. So I'm going to go back to the front end just so I can show you what happens with that image. And there you go, that's now a link. There's my alt text which says call aPrompt for your new website today. And then if I click it, it goes to the contact page.